Right, I'm going to try and adapt the song Ain't No Sunshine that we've done from the Rockschool book. Just going to make it a little bit simpler so we can do it for this performance coming up. So I've got an extra little thing to add though, which is this. We're going to have this bit that goes, I know. And how I did that was open G string, and then add fret 2. So open G, then press fret 2. So it's do it 3 times, I know, and then again, I know. So we're going to add that because that's in the original song by Bill Withers, so I just wanted to bring that element into it. Okay, so let's play along to my old video that I made of Ain't No Sunshine. Here we go. This is all the same, this bit, exactly the same as the original. Now this bit coming up, so that bit I'm just going to play just this note, so just fret 2 of the D string. Remember our rhyme Eddie 8 Dynamite, so that D string there. I'm just going to play fret 2, so the beginning of the phrase that we normally play, I'm going to make it simpler by just playing that note. Just that note. And then for the next bit, instead of that open D string with 2 more notes, just play the open D string. So it's going to be like that, okay? And then we're back into the riff. Let's carry on. I'm just carrying on with the normal riff we started. Fret 2 on the D string, just hold it and then open D string and back to the riff. Now we're going to have the I know, so fret 2 of the D string, open D string, and finish on the riff.